Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 Aerospace Engineering paper. Question number 25 is to achieve longitudinal static stability of a general aviation airplane. Which one of the following conditions should be satisfied? Option A. The center of gravity of the airplane should be aft of the neutral point. Option B. The center of gravity of the airplane should be forward of the neutral point. Option C. Stability coefficient curl C by curly alpha. Cm is the airplane pitching moment coefficient and alpha is angle of attack is positive. Option D, the static margin is negative. So here for longitudinal stability first condition should be differential of coefficient of pitching moment or pitching moment coefficient to angle of attack or dcm by d alpha should be negative. Okay, so it means that option is wrong. The stability coefficient dcm by d alpha is positive, that is wrong. So now dcm by d alpha is equal to a bracket h minus h, where a is your constant and hn minus h is called static margin. So if we take negative here, so the formula will be minus a hn minus h within bracket. So this is your static margin. So static margin should be positive. So here it is given that static margin is negative, so static margin should be positive. So that is also wrong. And now what are this hn and h? So if we multiply hn with c, then it is the neutral point location from the front of the aircraft. So this is the front of the aircraft and this is a neutral point, and neutral point is defined by the zero change in coefficient of moment with respect to an angle of attack, or at this point dcm by d alpha is 0. So this is your neutral point. So this is h and c, where c is your chord length, and in terms of chord length h and c is your distance. hn is ratio of chord length. Chord length is total, and this is the distance. hn is your this distance by c, or in terms of hn c we can write it as hnc. Okay, so generally we write like this. In terms of chord, total length is chord, and up to this point it is hn and up to cg it is ch. So hn minus h should be positive, so it means hn should be more than h, or we can say center of gravity of the airplane should be forward, closer to front of neutral point. So answer is option B. So answer is this, should be forward of neutral point, not aft of neutral point. Aft of neutral point means here after neutral point. So it is should be before neutral point or forward to neutral point or near the front of the aircraft. So answer is option B, and the neutral point location should be far from the front of the aircraft. So answer is option B.